Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the construction of a triangle when base, one of the base angle and some of the other two sides are given. Okay? When one base, one of the base angle means if triangle ABC, BC is the base, angle B is given and other two sides sum is given. Then how to construct the triangle? So in our textbook there is only one method is there by the perpendicular bisector. Now in this session I am going to explain you both the method, that is the angle bisector as well as the perpendicular bisector also. Now see how to construct a triangle ABC where BC, one of the angle B is 50 degree and AC plus of AB are given. Now see, firstly construct a BC, that is a base of a triangle, is equal to 5 centimeter. After constructing BC, at point B you have to draw a angle of 50 degree. We have to draw a angle of 50 degree at point B. After that, what is the addition of remaining two side? Sum is AB plus of AC we have to take. Okay, firstly draw the angle, do the properly neat and clean and exact 50 degree. Take a measurement properly by the scale. And by using scale only you have to draw the line. Now this is angle B is equal to 50 degree. After that, by using the protractor you have to take a measurement of AB plus of AC. AB plus of AC, whatever measurement is given. Now in this question it is a 9 centimeter. So from B point you have to draw an arc which is a 9 centimeter from B point, and you have to take that point is a D. Okay, so this is your AC plus of AB and that is equal to BD. Okay, so mark here it is D and now join the DC. Now join the CD point. Okay, after joining the C and D point, now by using the protractor, all of you know the how to copy the angle. Whatever angle is formed at D point, that you have to copy at C point. Now how to copy it? C. Take some measurement, that is 1 centimeter, and draw an arc by considering D as a center. Same measurement keep at a C, draw an arc on the CD line. See how to construct at point which is intersect the side CD. Okay, now same measurement you have to take the distance between these two arc which is touching the two sides. Same distance you have to take from the intersecting point and draw an arc. This is by using the angle bisector. Okay, students. Means we are copying the angle. And now after that, from C and that intersecting point of two R, draw a line. Okay, and intersecting point of two R can see whenever you are drawing the line, that line intersect at point BD at A, and therefore now this angle ABC is formed. Simple. So this is a triangle ABC. If you are using the scale, if you are measuring the measurement, you will get that your BAC triangle. Okay. Measure by the scale. It is 5 centimeter. Your AB is 4.8 centimeter. It is 4.8 centimeter, and your AC is equal to, it is 4.2 centimeter. Okay. So total BD is 9 centimeter. That's why you construct the BD is 9 centimeter. So in this way, by using this angle bisector, you can now how to construct. Now this BDC, how to construct, all of you know. Firstly, BC, at B point you have to take a 50-degree. From that, B to D, that is your AB plus of AC, the sum of the two sides is your BD. After that, take a perpendicular bisector of DC by taking a more than a half distance. From D and from C, you have to draw an arc. From D and from C, you have to draw an arc. After drawing the triangle, same, only the method is changed. Just you have to take, this is in your textbook, BCD's and perpendicular bisector, all of you have to draw. How to construct the perpendicular bisector? By just taking a more than half distance of CD, draw an arc from D and C and join an arc. If you are observing it, after joining arc, whatever the point is intersecting at BD, that is your A point. Then join AC. So in this way you can construct the triangle by both the method.